Calcium is a mineral needed by the body for normal heart, muscle, and nerve function, as well as for the development and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. The body cannot produce its own calcium and therefore must rely on proper dietary intake. However, research shows that up to 75% of people do not get enough calcium from food sources, thereby putting themselves at risk for complications related to calcium deficiency. This alarming percentage worries many healthcare professionals who now recommend supplementation of this important mineral, particularly in older people. Choosing the right calcium supplement can be challenging, not to mention the hassle of swallowing horse-sized pills. Now with AgileCal, supplementing your diet with this important mineral has never been so easy. This innovative formulation gives you 3 forms of calcium that are easily absorbed by the body. All this, plus other key ingredients in a great-tasting orange chocolate flavor. So, what are the key ingredients that make AgileCal an excellent source of calcium for you? Here's Dr. Shaye to tell us.
Calcium citrate has many unique advantages. It is absorbed and digested by the body more efficiently than calcium carbonate, especially in older people who are more prone to calcium deficiency. Unlike many other forms of calcium, calcium citrate does not block iron absorption in the intestine and can be taken on an empty stomach since it does not require stomach acid for it to be broken down. MCHA is a source of not only calcium, but also other elemental and trace minerals. Many studies have shown that MCHA is highly absorbable. Finally, calcium aspartate extends the calcium absorption throughout the entire length of the small intestine and therefore achieves superior absorption rates.
Cal is also packed with a number of other key ingredients that play equally distinct and important roles in the promotion of skeletal health, such as vitamin D3 and boron.
Vitamin D3 is the only vitamin the body can manufacture from sunlight. Unfortunately, with today's indoor living and the use of sunblocks, we are now a society with millions of individuals who are deficient in this vitamin. As such, experts have recognized that vitamin D3 supplementation can play an important role in bone health. With AgileCal, you get 100% of the daily recommended intake of this important vitamin. Boron aids in the proper metabolism of vitamins and minerals involved with bone strengthening and development. In addition, boron seems to enhance hormones that affect bone health.
So, as you can see, AgileCal was formulated to help you thrive. With Cal, you get the right amount of highly absorbable calcium, plus a number of other key ingredients all suspended in a great-tasting gel matrix. AgileCal is the right calcium product for you and your family.
My favorite Agile product is Ageless. I've been using it faithfully twice a day for 6 months, and it's the first time that I've been a repeat purchaser of a skincare product. I just really love it. I leave the house every morning with my Ageless on and my smile. I don't wear makeup, and I feel really great. I know that my skin is really looking good. I get tons of compliments on my skin. It's really amazing to have someone half my age ask me what I'm doing for my skin.
Skincare is not a billion-dollar industry for nothing. Every one of us would like to look and feel our best, and having healthy-looking skin is a big part of that. It's the first impression we make when we meet someone, and it gives us the confidence to go about our day. The look of our skin is largely determined by its tone, appearance, and healthiness. By harnessing the anti-aging and antioxidant power of the Ageless skincare line, you can give your skin the nourishment it needs to maintain a more youthful and healthy appearance. From cleansers to moisturizers, each product in this line is specially designed to help your skin thrive. First, Agile has created a daily cleansing gel. It eliminates impurities with a fresh foaming gel. This daily cleansing gel removes makeup and eliminates dead skin cells, environmental particles, and excess oil, thereby refreshing your face. Then there's the misting gel. It will tone and balance your skin with a light hydrating mist while removing all traces of impurities. Use it morning and night to complete your cleansing process and restore your skin's moisture. Next, there is the Revitalizing Gel Scrub. This product will help you to exfoliate and purify your skin with its gentle and effective scrub molecules. The Ageless Gel Scrub removes dead skin cells, allowing your skin to breathe easier. Use it 4 to 5 times per week for a smooth and radiant complexion. Now, to hydrate your skin, there is the Intensive Gel Serum. This will give your skin a younger, healthy glow with its vitamin-packed antioxidant serum. The Anti-Aging Gel Serum restores your complexion from within, minimizing fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Use this product to visibly reduce the effects of aging. And for daily moisturizing, there's a great hydrating gel moisturizer. You can use this product to prevent free radicals from damaging your skin. The Daily Moisturizing Gel protects your skin from the multitude of stresses it encounters every day. And for the nighttime, Agile has created a Nourishing Night Gel. This gel rebuilds collagen and renews your skin's surface. Use it nightly to restore your elasticity and wake up in the morning with healthy, younger-looking skin. And finally, no skincare line is complete without an age-defying eye gel. This Agile product will brighten the skin around your eyes while helping to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, as well as promote elasticity and collagen in the eye contour area. You can use it to reduce the signs of tiredness and aging. This entire line is also available in an easy-to-use and compact trial-size case. And I'm sure that with the ageless products, you will feel and see the difference in your skin almost immediately, so you can put your best face forward. As you have seen, with Agile you get it all. A superior delivery mechanism and gel suspension technology that is revolutionizing the wellness industry, and products with safe and proven ingredients for optimum health backed by expert physicians. So don't compromise when it comes to your health or the wellness of your loved ones. Get your Agile products today. Achieving optimum health has never been so easy. Thanks for joining us, and here's to your health.